Email verification failed on Wealthfront Fix. If you're having trouble verifying your email on Wealthfront, most people immediately assume the app is broken. The surprising truth is that the problem usually comes from simple issues like email typos, spam filters, or outdated account information. The good news is that it's easy to fix once you know the right steps. Step 1. Check every folder in your email account, including spam, junk, and promotions. Wealthfront verification emails are often redirected automatically, especially by Gmail and Outlook. Step 2. Verify that the email address in your Wealthfront account is correct. Even a tiny typo can block verification entirely. If you notice an error, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add no reply Wealthfront, come to your contacts or save sender list. This prevents future verification emails from being filtered or lost. Step 4. Request a fresh verification email from the Wealthfront website or app. Avoid requesting multiple links at once, as this can temporarily delay the verification process. Finally, once your email is verified, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures you receive all important account notifications promptly. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve Wealthfront email verification issues, regain full access to your account, and manage your investments without interruption. Accurate email information and proper inbox management are key to a smooth and secure Wealthfront experience.